Hello everyone, welcome to the channel again. As usual, I got Mike on the camera.
Hello everyone.
Okay, this video is about auction sites. I've always had little bids here and never ever been successful. But I went on one night and I came across this and I thought I'll have a little bid because it was a bit low. I won it. Very lucky. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, this is the box. Let's open it and see what we got. Well, I know what I got, but you don't know what I got. So let's have a look. Okay, I'll turn it around that way so you can see. Can you see it? Okay, look, it's a steam train. Something I haven't got, and I haven't bought one of those since I was a kid, so it's all new for me, but we'll get it out now and have a look. Put it on the table there, put the box out of the way. Okay, it's a 460 Jubilee class steam train. I don't know how old the model is. I know it's DC, it's not DCC, so it'll be another conversion at some point. I'm not sure what the Hornby number is because it's not on the box. No. Anyway, let's get it out. Actually, I said Hornby then, and it's not Hornby because it's got Bachmann written on it, doesn't it? Silly me. Okay, got some paperwork with it. That's gone on the floor. Okay, tender out first. No, it's not tender driven, I can see that straight away because it's not heavy and there's no connection to go to the locomotive. Okay, so the wheels all seem clean, have you got it? Wheels seem all clean on it. Not sprung buffers, but it seems all very clean and nice and looks very good. Okay, let's get the logo out. Here we are, it's quite heavy. I'd like to focus in. Again, it looks very nice. The name of it is Silver Jubilee, so that's quite good. And the number on the locomotive is 45552. Okay, so it seems okay. There's no marks on it. There's no scratches on it. There's a vacuum pipe on the front. It all seems very good. Wheels are all nice and clean. So I think we'll stop it there and come back in a minute and I'll put it on the rolling road. Okay, we got it on the rolling road, so let's give it a go. One thing with this DC S52, you can run DC locomotives as well. You press 00 and you can run it on the track. Okay, let's put it forward, give it some power and pray it works. Oh yes, away it goes. Looks a bit stiff, seems to be running okay, a bit of oil I think, but we can do that later on anyway, at least it's a runner. Let's try the other way. Yes, that's all working. Running nicely actually. Well, that's that for that one. Until the next video. Thank you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. It was something different for me as well. I don't normally buy one of those. But the actual price I paid for it was £33. So I think I had a bit of a bargain, even it was something I don't normally buy. Anyway, thank you for watching, and thanks for all those that have already subscribed. If you haven't, please subscribe and hit the like button to receive more videos from us, which will be coming soon. Thank you.